I want to go back to something that Stuart said at the very beginning of the show. Is you started out using Matterport as a solution for a specific problem, but it turned out that really Matterport was a tool, it wasn't the solution. I suspect that some of our viewers have looked at Matterport and have moved forward with creating hundreds, if not thousands of models across the United States or around the globe, and have just come to the same conclusion that you all came to and started NSPECT. So if I am a big time Matterport, I'm creating hundreds, perhaps thousands of Matterports, and I am trying to manually do all the things you talked about, Stuart, at the top of the show. What's my next step? What should I do?
Well, yeah, you can go to our website, NSPECT.net, and you can book a demo. And we'd be more than happy to, walk you through a quick little demo like we saw. But more importantly, we want to learn more about you and your business. How are you leveraging 3D Matterport models, right? Like, how are you using to deliver business results? And if you were maybe sitting in the boardroom where we were when we started NSPECT, you're probably realizing it's a really great tool and it's great information. But if you're not taking that 1 or 2 steps further, you might be missing an opportunity to really deliver some good business results and save yourself time, team, and money on all these things. And so, that's what we would say. Go book a demo, come check it out. We'd love to see everybody, try to find how can 3D digital twins help you run your business better.
Awesome. Brandon, would you like the final word before we say bye?
Yeah, I'm usually the guy talking a lot, so appreciate Stuart carrying me a little bit here. I think at the end of the day, we've got the ability for people to go, get the product, play with it, get a demo, see how it works in their world. And, Dan, when we started this, safety was a really big focus for us, safety. But we've had people call us, on a weekly basis that are scheduling demos, that are doing things with NSPECT that we had no idea. We talked to somebody the other day and they were doing, legacy fulfillment, but it was just because they needed to get information from their customer. It was never even going to be facing. It was just a way for they to take a Matterport model and get people to explain things and point out where things were, kind of like we talked about in that real estate world. We didn't know. We've had insurance companies wanting, to basically, point out all the expensive, items in the home. And we want to know exactly what that is and put the serial number on it, take the pictures and, run the report and give it back to us. Every day we find another use case, and, Stuart and I and our team will get into, daily huddles, and it's kind of one of those, hey, who's got the most unique use case this week? So,
okay. So let me take it from there and suggest that if you are watching today's show and you are creating dozens, hundreds, or thousands of Matterport spaces, and you're scratching your head about what else you can do with Matterport regarding recording inspections, communicating actions, or documenting compliance, go to NSPECT.net, check out the website. You can book an appointment and have a consultation to say, this is how we're using Matterport. Here are our problems, our challenges, our hopes, wishes, and desires. NSPECT, how can you help us? Brandon, Stuart, thanks for being on the show today.
Yes, thank you, Dan. And Dan, thank you for what you're doing. I know this is, you're bringing a lot of information around this new technology to people. And so we're big fans of the show and watching you and seeing everything you're doing. So thank you for your leadership.
Thank you, Stuart. We've been visiting with Stuart Gilly, Vice President of Marketing of NSPECT, and NSPECT founder Brandon Foreman. NSPECT Matterport partner located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. For Brandon and Stuart, I'm Dan Smigrod, founder of the We Get Around Network Forum, and you've been watching WGAN TV live at 5.